Wood crusher output does not go mainly by raw materials, equipment, operation, and other factors. For these problems, you can take appropriate measures to improve production. In terms of raw materials, if the humidity of wood is large, easy to stick knives and screens, increasing the difficulty of crushing. In this regard, the wood can be dried in advance or drying, so that the moisture content down to a reasonable range, reduce sticking and improve the crushing efficiency. High wood hardness will increase the difficulty of crushing, for the hardness of the wood can be pre-treated in advance, such as cutting into smaller sizes, or the use of multi-stage crushing way to reduce the pressure of a single crush. When the size of the wood is too large, more than the feeding port or crushing chamber processing capacity, will lead to feeding difficulties, so the wood needs to be cut into the right size in advance to ensure smooth feeding. Equipment factors have a significant impact on output. Knife wear will reduce the cutting force, should regularly check the knife wear. Timely replacement of badly worn knives, keep the knife sharp. Screen clogging will hinder the discharge of materials. We should often clean the screen to prevent mesh clogging. At the same time, you can choose a good wear resistance, aperture suitable for the screen to improve screening efficiency. Insufficient motor power will reduce the rotational speed of the pulverizer, according to the needs of the equipment, equipped with power-matched motor. If the equipment has loose parts, damage and other faults, such as bearing damage, belt slippage, etc., should be timely overhaul and maintenance to ensure the normal operation of the equipment. During operation, uneven feeding will make the equipment workload is not stable. Need to control the feed rate. To maintain uniform feeding, can use automated feeding devices to achieve stable feeding. Improperly set crushing parameters will also affect the output, according to the actual demand for reasonable settings for crushing particle size. Avoid setting too fine. At the same time, adjust the fan speed to the appropriate value to ensure that the material can be discharged in a timely manner. In addition, poor ventilation will make the equipment temperature rise, affecting the performance. The need to improve the ventilation conditions of the equipment, such as increasing the vent, the installation of heat dissipation devices. Inadequate maintenance will reduce the operating efficiency of the equipment. Should develop a regular maintenance program, comprehensive maintenance of the equipment, including the addition of lubricants, clean up dust, etc., to ensure that all parts of the equipment is in good working condition.